Welcome. In today's video, we will be going over how to list products on WooCommerce using Ad Lister. Before we begin, I would like to mention that this feature comes as a paid add-on to the basic Ad Lister license, and it was specially developed to make running your online business simpler and faster. Listing products to WooCommerce with Ad Lister is a simple process that requires only a few mouse clicks. This feature cuts back a lot of time in managing your WooCommerce listings because it's fully integrated with Ad Lister, making it really easy to manage, and you won't need to hire staff to manage your WooCommerce listings in particular. Now that we have that out of the way, let's get right to it and go over how this feature works. Okay, so once we have logged into our Ad Lister, the first page by default will be the dashboard. But we will be navigating away from here, and we will go to the products page. Here we have the option of creating a new product. Please note that when creating a new product or editing existing ones, and this feature is enabled on your store, you will notice that the product editing section will have a field for WooCommerce platform specifics for each individual product, which you can edit, or you can leave them blank, and Ad Lister will list the product using the existing product details. If we already have a product like we do here, all we will have to do is tick the product, and then we'll go to Platform Actions. And in the drop-down, we have Post to WooCommerce. Let's click on this. And as we can see, a new window appears where we can choose what options we want enabled when listing the product. Once we select the necessary options, we then click Post. That's it. Pretty simple, as I mentioned, just a few simple steps. A job will start running, showing you that the product is in the process of being sent to your WooCommerce. And in roughly a few minutes, the product should be available on your WooCommerce. Next up, let's go to WooCommerce and log in, so that we can check if the product was listed. So, we will be logging into WooCommerce, and once we are logged in, we will navigate to Products and search for the product that we have just listed from Ad Lister. And as we can see, the product was listed successfully. Also, if we go back to Ad Lister, we will notice that the listed product now displays the WooCommerce logo, stating that the product is now available on WooCommerce. I would also like to mention that this method is also applicable for when we want to revise or update an existing product on WooCommerce, if we have made any changes to the product. When doing so, we will follow the same steps as before, but this time around, we will select exactly which option we want updated. One final thing, and an important one, is that you do not need to create any new products to list to WooCommerce. You can use your existing products that are available on your Ad Lister. That about covers it on how to list your products to WooCommerce and how to update them. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, to start listing products to WooCommerce, we need to activate the Post to WooCommerce feature on your Ad Lister and map all your products accordingly. The process of doing this might take as long as a week, depending on our developer's workload. If you're interested in this feature, feel free to contact us. The details can be found in the video description below. Also, don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching.